Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to show you kale chips. The thing you have to do to make your kale sweet is take out that center, especially the big part of the rib, until you get right about there, and then you can cut her off. And I like to cut my kale pieces in big chunks. I don't like small. I want to be able to pick them up. So I'm putting them in the bowl. I'm going to take my olive oil from Fresh Press Olive Oil Club. And I really love these people. You get 3 new bottles of fresh pressed olive oil every 3 months. So we're going to put about 2 tablespoons in here. And then the other thing is you want to massage this kale. That breaks it down, makes it sweeter. Turn from that light green to a real dark green. I just picked this kale from my garden, but look at the difference in the color of the green. I make it just so it's just a layer piece. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 425 for about 10 minutes. I do like to put a little salt on it. We're gonna put Parmesan on these puppies. I wanna put them under the broiler just for maybe a minute. OMGs, is that good.